Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about meme coins and the future of crypto. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. So over the last 2 years, I've seen meme coins take the crypto world by storm. Doge seemed like a one-time thing until Shiba Inu was listed on major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Huobi, and Kraken. At this point, people started to realize that getting listed on a major exchange was not impossible. People knew about other crypto projects, but they seemed serious and a little hard to understand. Even though Doge and Shiba had market caps in the billions of dollars, it was clear that they didn't do anything useful. Everyone talked about them and thought about how much money they could have made if they had bought some when they first came out or when they first heard about them. And that was the start of the meme coin boom. Before SafeMoon, there were a lot of projects. However, the combination of social media, more people knowing about the success of Doge and Shiba Inu, good design, and just plain luck made it very exciting. They also benefited from the confusing aspect of meme coins, that is the access question. Most people did not know how to use a decentralized exchange to buy something. It's easy to buy on Coinbase or Binance, but it's hard to understand slippage, crypto wallets, buying and swapping BNB to Smart Chain, importing contract addresses on PancakeSwap, changing the last zero in a trade to avoid a transaction error, etc. Many people might wonder how that could help, but it did. It made it more interesting for people who hadn't seen it before. People jumped into the project without knowing what it was about and how it worked. This was made clearer by the fact that skeptics and non-holders called it a scam or a rug pull, which brought more attention to the project and, in particular, their market cap. The current trend of NFTs is similar to the SafeMoon craze in many ways. NFTs have a lot of potential, but many people buy them because they don't want to miss out or because they believe the hype. Some of my friends buy pictures of frogs in sombreros smoking cigars for thousands of dollars. Even if it sounds funny, I'm more interested in how that makes people feel. When my friends buy these NFTs, they give them to other people right away. We feel more like a community when we talk about our money and make predictions about the future of crypto, whether we laugh at the silliness or comment on the weirdness. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly, so click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. Don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.